Okay, the creek here behind the trailers is a little overflowing. Right here by this old stump, it's come over the edge of the creek, however you say it. All of this out here by the corral's flooded. It's all flooded over here. Pretty much this whole side of the parking lot. It's over here by the road. All of this on this side of the road's all flooded. You can see the horse ramp there. Here's the road here. It's coming over the road right here. It's not really washing the gravel out or nothing, but it's coming over the road all the same. And then it goes off over towards the pavilion. It's all puddled out here in the low spots. All this out here is pretty soggy. It rained really hard last night, really hard. Luckily it's crossing the sidewalk right here before it gets to the old road. Crossing the sidewalk right here, going off over towards the fire pit. Bottom part of the fire pit's all flooded there. And then it goes off down in front of the pavilion. Back in the road right here again. Coming down here behind the bus. Luckily it's going around the pavilion instead of in it. Then it goes on down by the swing sets and turns right there to that apple creek, or that apple tree. Goes off down into the grass. So we got us a flooding problem.